Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, this half-an-inch Milwaukee hammer drill delivers serious performance in a compact and easy-to-handle design. Built for demanding jobs, it provides more than enough power for drilling through wood, metal, and masonry without feeling bulky or overwhelming in hand. While it may not be the absolute fastest option available, its real-world performance is excellent. During testing, it powered smoothly through a half-inch drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit with ease, showing no signs of strain. It also performed exceptionally well when drilling 1/4-inch holes into concrete, proving its capability as a true hammer drill. One standout feature is its 3-speed transmission. Many drills offer only 2 speeds, but the additional setting allows for greater control. You can easily reduce speed and torque when driving screws, helping prevent stripping or overdriving fasteners while maintaining precision. Despite its strong output, the drill remains surprisingly lightweight and compact. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, tool only, it's ideal for working in tight spaces or for extended use without excessive fatigue. Another notable safety feature is Milwaukee's AutoStop technology, which shuts off the motor if the bit binds, helping prevent wrist injuries caused by sudden over-rotation. Although it may not claim the top spot for raw speed or power, this Milwaukee hammer drill strikes an excellent balance of performance, size, weight, and smart features, making it one of the best all-around options in its class. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. With a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, the Skil PWRCORE 20V drill delivers impressive performance for such a compact and affordable tool. Designed with budget-conscious users in mind, it offers more than enough power for everyday drilling and driving tasks around the home or job site. In testing, the drill impressed by boring a clean half-an-inch hole through a standard 2x4 in just 3 seconds, a strong result for a drill in this price range. Performance was more mixed when using a 1-inch spade bit. While it could handle the task, the bit occasionally bound up in the wood during repeated drilling, requiring pauses to reset. That said, when used as a driver, the Skil performed reliably and consistently. It drove 3-inch screws smoothly without stalling, making it a solid option for assembly work, light construction, and general DIY projects. One of the biggest advantages of this drill is its lightweight design. At just 2.23 pounds, tool only, and with a compact 6.1-inch head length, it's extremely easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The slim profile reduces hand fatigue and makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. While it lacks some of the advanced features found on premium cordless drills, it still includes practical essentials such as 2 speed settings and a built-in LED work light for improved visibility. Considering that many high-end cordless drill kits cost $300 or more, the Skil PWRCORE 20V kit stands out at around $80. Its combination of solid performance, lightweight design, and low price makes it one of the best budget-friendly drills available. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex cordless tools have earned a reputation for delivering exceptional power, and this drill fully lives up to that standard. With an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a blazing fast maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, it ranks among the most powerful cordless drills in its class. During testing, it performed flawlessly, drilling 5 clean holes with a half-inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit in under 3 seconds each. The drill showed no hesitation or slowdown, even under heavy load, highlighting its strong motor and efficient power delivery. To push its limits further, the drill was tested on concrete using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. While many cordless drills struggle or stall in this scenario, the Flex powered through with ease, steadily boring into the cement without hesitation. This level of performance makes it a standout choice for demanding construction, remodeling, and trade work where power is critical. Built around a 24-volt motor and battery system, this drill is understandably heavier than most competitors. It weighs 3.9 pounds as a bare tool and nearly 6 pounds when paired with the included 5.0Ah battery. However, the relatively short 7.1-inch head length helps maintain balance and control, especially in tighter working spaces. Flex also includes a robust set of advanced features. A dedicated turbo mode unlocks maximum torque when needed, while the rotation protection system automatically shuts the tool down if it begins to over-rotate, helping protect your wrist and arm from injury. Although it costs more than many alternatives, this Flex cordless drill is an excellent choice for users who prioritize raw power and professional-grade performance above all else. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. As the flagship model in DeWalt's cordless drill lineup, the DeWalt XR drill stands out for its exceptional power, speed, and overall versatility. With a maximum speed of 2,000 revolutions per minute, it delivered some of the fastest drilling performance recorded during testing. Using a standard drill bit, it bored a clean half-an-inch hole through a 2x4 in roughly half a second. When switched to a 1-inch paddle bit, it completed the task in just 3 seconds. Both results were the quickest among all the drills evaluated. Despite its impressive raw power, what truly sets the XR apart is the level of control it offers. The drill features 3 speed settings, allowing users to significantly reduce speed when precision is more important than brute force. Combined with adjustable torque settings, this made it easy to drive screws smoothly without stripping heads or damaging materials. This balance of power and finesse makes the drill equally well suited for heavy-duty drilling and detailed fastening work. DeWalt also includes several thoughtful features that enhance both safety and usability. An anti-rotation safety system automatically shuts off the motor if excessive rotational motion is detected, helping to protect your wrist from sudden kickback. The built-in LED work light is another highlight, as it can be adjusted to illuminate the work area exactly where you need it, improving visibility in dim or confined spaces. While the DeWalt XR isn't the lightest option at 4.1 pounds, tool only, its relatively compact 7.6-inch head length helps it fit into tighter spaces where larger drills may struggle. Overall, the DeWalt XR combines outstanding performance, smart safety features, and excellent control, making it a top-tier cordless drill for demanding users. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-an-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers impressive power in a compact, professional-grade design. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and a strong 1,250 inch-pounds of torque, it's built to handle demanding drilling and driving tasks with ease. During testing, the drill showed no signs of strain when tackling both standard drilling challenges. It effortlessly powered a half-an-inch twist bit and a 1-inch spade bit through a 2x4, maintaining smooth and consistent performance throughout. The hammer drill function proved equally capable. Using a 5/8-inch masonry bit, the Makita drilled clean holes into concrete without hesitation, making it a reliable option for light to medium masonry work. This versatility allows it to transition seamlessly between wood, metal, and concrete applications, which is exactly what professionals expect from a flagship tool. Beyond drilling, the Makita hammer drill also excels as a driver. By dialing back both speed and torque, it offered excellent control and precision, preventing stripped screw heads while driving 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4 lumber. This balance between power and finesse makes it suitable for both heavy-duty construction tasks and more delicate fastening jobs. Despite its high output, the drill remains relatively compact, with a head length of just 7 inches. This makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces compared to bulkier models. However, at 5.5 pounds for the bare tool, it is one of the heavier drills in its class, which may cause fatigue during extended use. Overall, the Makita hammer drill combines strong performance, versatility, and durable construction, making it a solid choice for professionals who prioritize reliability and power.